Hello student, my name is Jaydeep Bamprulya and I will take your general knowledge. This video is about the basic knowledge of coronavirus. So let's start. What is the name given to the disease caused by coronavirus spread in Wuhan city? A. COVID-19. B. China virus. C. Corona 19. D. None of these. So answer is A. COVID-19. Second, what is the name given by scientists to coronavirus before Wuhan city? A. China virus. B. SARS-CoV-2. C. COVID-19. D. None of these. Answer is B. SARS-CoV-2. 3. Who has declared COVID-19 an epidemic? A. WHO. B. UN. C. China. D. India. Answer is WHO. 4. In which Indian state has full curfew been imposed due to coronavirus in the first time? Answer is Punjab. B. Haryana. C. Rajasthan. D. Kerala. So answer is A. Punjab. 5. On which day is the public curfew, Janta curfew, imposed due to coronavirus? A. 22 March 2020. B. 23 March 2020. C. 24 March 2020. D. 20 March 2020. Answer is A. 22 March 2020. 6. When Indian government announced coronavirus lockdown phase 1? Answer is 25 March 2020 to 14 April 2020. 7. How many days remained coronavirus lockdown phase 1? A. 19. B. 20. C. 21. D. 22. Answer is C. 21. 8. How many days remained coronavirus lockdown phase 2? A. 19. B. 20. C. 21. D. 22. Answer is A. 19. 9. How many days remain coronavirus lockdown phase 3? A. 10. B. 12. C. 14. D. 16. Answer is C. 14. How many days remain total coronavirus lockdown phase 1, phase 2, phase 3? A. 45 days. B. 15 days. C. 45 days. D. 61 days. Answer is C. 54 days. 11. Which state became the first state of lockdown due to coronavirus? A. Rajasthan. B. Punjab. C. Uttarakhand. D. Gujarat. Answer is Rajasthan. 12. COVID-19 affects which part of the human body? A. Heart. B. Lungs. C. Brain. D. None of these. Answer is lungs. 13. What is the name of the test of coronavirus? A. ELIS. B. RT-PCR. C. GFR test. D. None of these. Answer is B. RT-PCR. 14. Coronavirus has started from Wuhan in China. It is located in which province of China? Hubei, Shanghai, Shenzhen, D. None of these. So, answer is Hubei. 15. What is the full form of COVID-19? Answer. CO means C for corona, VI for virus, D for disease, and 19 for 2019. 16. What does VI in the word COVID-19 means? A. Coronavirus, B. Virus, C. Disease, D. 2019. Answer is virus. 17. Which state became the first state to declare coronavirus as an epidemic? A. Punjab, B. Rajasthan, C. Haryana, D. Chandigarh. Answer is A. Punjab. 18. How much aid has India announced in SARS COVID-19 emergency fund? A. $10 million, B. $100 million, C. $15 million, D. $25 million. Answer is $10 million. 19. Indian government launched which app for COVID-19 tracker app? A. COVID-19, B. Corona 19, C. Arogya Setu, D. Coronavirus tracker. So answer is Arogya Setu. 20. Social app Instagram has launched which features to make its user aware of coronavirus? A. Instagram TV, B. Instagram News, C. Instagram Feed, D. Instagram Go Corona. So answer is C. Instagram Feed. 21. What features has WhatsApp launched in India to make you aware of coronavirus? A. WhatsApp News, B. WhatsApp Go, C. WhatsApp Chatbot, C. WhatsApp Live. Answer is C. WhatsApp Chatbot. 22. What features Facebook has launched India to make aware of coronavirus? A. Coronavirus Information Center, B. Coronavirus Tips, C. Coronavirus News, D. Coronavirus Information News. Answer is A. Coronavirus Information Center. 23. What news website has Google launched to make you aware of coronavirus? A. Google.com COVID-19, B. Google.com Corona, C. Google.com Coronavirus, D. None of these. Answer is A. Google.com COVID-19. 24. What does the structure of the coronavirus look like when viewed with a microscope? A. Crown, B. Ring, C. Fish, D. Lung. Answer is A. Crown. 28. What are the main symptoms of coronavirus? A. Fever, B. Cough, C. Difficulty in breathing, D. All of these. Answer is D. All of these. 29. Which virus is responsible for COVID-19? A. N1HI, B. Ebola, C. SARS-CoV-2, D. None of these. Answer is C. SARS-CoV-2. First, how many countries, area or territories are suffering from novel coronavirus outbreak in the world? A. More than 50. B. More than 100. C. More than 150. C. More than 200. So answer is D. More than 200. Second, Thailand announced that it has proceeded to test its novel coronavirus vaccine on which animal? Bird. A. Monkeys. B. Lizards. C. Hens. D. Kites. Answer is A. Monkeys. 3. In a study, which cells are found in COVID-19 patient bode well for long-term immunity? A. P cell. B. D cell. C. T cell. D. Endothelial cells. Answer is C. T cell. 4. Name the vaccine that is jointly developed by the German company and US pharma giant Pfizer for COVID-19. Answer is A. BNT 162. 5th, name a clinical trial in which blood is transfused from recovered COVID-19 patient to a coronavirus patient who is in critical condition. Answer is plasma therapy. 6. How does coronavirus transmits? A. When person sneeze or cough, droplets spread in air or fall on ground and near B surface. B. If another person is near B and inhales the droplets or touch this surface and further touches his face, eyes or mouth, he or she can get infection. C. If the distance is less than 1 meter from the infected person. D. All the above are correct. Answer is D. All the above are correct. 7. What happens to a person suffering from COVID-19? A. Around 80% of the blood will require no treatment as such and will recover on their own. B. Around less than 20% of cell, small portion may need hospitalization. C. A very small portion basically suffering from chronic illness may need admission in an intensive care unit. D. All of the above are correct. Answer is D. All the above are correct. 8. In which age group the COVID-19 spreads? A. COVID-19 occur in all age groups. B. Coronavirus infection is mild in children. C. Older person and person with pre-existing medical conditions are at high risk to develop serious illness. D. All of the above are correct. Answer is D. All the above are correct. 9. What is the coronavirus? A. It is the large family of viruses. B. It belongs to the family of nidovirus. C. Both A and B are correct. D. Only A is correct. Answer is C. Coronavirus is a large family of viruses and belongs to the family of nidovirus. 10. World Health Organization on 11 February 2020 announced an officially name for the disease that is the causing the 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak. What is the new name of the disease? A. COVID-19, B. COVID-19, C. COVID-20, D. COVID-19. Answer is COVID-19. 11. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in Beijing, B. Shanghai, C. Wuhan. Answer is C. Wuhan. 12. Which of the following diseases are related to coronavirus? A. MERS, B. SARS, C. Both A and B, D. Neither A nor B. Answer is A and B. So answer is C. Both A and B. 13. Mild symptoms of novel coronavirus are A. Fever, B. Cough, C. Shortness of breath, D. All of the above. Answer is D. All the above. 14. From where coronavirus got its name? A. Due to their crown-like projection, B. Due to their leaf-like projections, C. Due to their surface structure of bricks, D. None of these above. So answer is A. Due to their crown-like projection. 15. What are the precautions that need to be taken to protect from the coronavirus? A. Cover your nose and mouth when sneezing. B. Add more garlic into your diet. C. Visit your doctor from antibiotics treatments. D. Wash your hands after every year. Answer is A. Cover your nose and mouth when sneezing.